Good morning, my dear students. Electrochemistry, easy way to calculate mass using Faraday's second law. What is the problem given? The same amount of electricity was passed through two separate electrolytic cells containing solutions of nickel nitrate and chromium nitrate respectively. If 2.935 gram of nickel was deposited in the first cell, what is the amount of chromium deposited in the another cell? Given molar mass of nickel and chromium are 58.74 and 52 gram mole power minus 1 respectively. Mass and molar mass of nickel are given. From the molar mass of chromium, we have to calculate the amount of chromium deposited at the electrode. Now that we are going to discuss, according to Faraday's second law, now I write the formula. Mass of chromium we have to calculate. Mass of chromium divided by equivalent mass of chromium, equivalent mass of chromium is equal to mass of nickel divided by equivalent mass of nickel. Equivalent mass of nickel. Equivalent mass of nickel. We know mass of nickel, we can convert the molar mass into equivalent mass. Equivalent mass of chromium we have to calculate. And our question is calculate mass of chromium deposited. Before that, now we are going to calculate the equivalent mass of chromium and equivalent mass of nickel. Now write the reduction reaction. In nickel nitrate, nickel is in 2 plus oxidation state. It gained 2 electrons and deposited as nickel metal at the electrode. Number of Faraday of current is 2 Faraday. The 2 Faraday current is used to deposit nickel 2 plus into nickel. Chromium is a 3 plus ion in aqueous medium. In aqueous medium, this is solid. Because of 3 plus, it gained 3 electrons and deposited at chromium, a solid. How much electrons are involved? 3 electrons. Therefore, 3 Faraday current is used to reduce chromium 3 plus into chromium. Using this Faraday value, we can calculate equivalent mass of chromium and equivalent mass of nickel. First, equivalent mass of nickel is equal to molar mass divided by number of electron involved. Nickel 2 electron. Nickel molar mass is 58.74 by 2. When you cancel this, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1 18, remaining 1 18, 9 8s are 18, 3 2s are 9 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6, remaining 1 29.37 gram. 29.37 is the equivalent mass of nickel. Equivalent mass of chromium is equal to molar mass by how many electrons are involved. 3 electrons are involved. 3 Faraday current we are passing. That is equal to. Molar mass of chromium is given in our problem is 52 divided by 3. That is equal to. When we cancel 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. Remaining 2 22. 7 3s are 21. Remaining 1 10 3 3s are 3 3s are. So what is the equivalent mass of chromium? 17.33 gram. Now substitute all the equivalent mass value and mass of nickel in this equation. We can calculate mass of chromium. So mass of chromium is our question. Mass of chromium is divided by equivalent mass of chromium 17.33, that is equal to mass of nickel given in our problem 2.935 gram by equivalent mass of nickel is 29.37. See, both the values are equal. We can easily cancel. Or mass of chromium is equal to, bring the value to the right hand side, 2.935 divided by 29.37 into 17.33. When you cancel these two, both values are equal, or if you have any doubt, you can convert this value into the same value. That is equal to 29.35 into 10 power minus 1 divided by 29.37 into 17.33. Now 29.37, 29.35 get cancelled, approximately equal to 1. When you multiply 17.33 into 10 power minus 1 will give 1.733 gram. This is your mass of chromium. Mass of chromium is 1.733 gram. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.
Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please Okay, thank you.